All right. Question that's just come up. Question 10 from today's homework. It's the 13th of Feb, 2025, just in case. So question 10. So Alex buys 200 mils. Alex buys a 200 ml bottle of cough mixture. The recommended dose for a 3-year-old child is 5 ml. What is the adult dose using Young's rule? So what I've done is I've chucked Young's rule down here so that we can do it. The only thing I will do is I'll change this where it's got dosage and all that. I'm going to write it just so it's got the algebra. So D equals YA, because we're using Y for years and A for adult dose, over Y plus 12. Now, the question is actually asking us not for the dosage. It's actually given us the dosage, which is 5 ml. So our D equals 5. And they've also given us the child's age. So the child's age is 3. So that means my years equal 3. Be careful that it's years is 3, not A for age. It's Y for years. Okay. So what we've got to do, though, is we actually have to solve for A, because that's the adult dosage. So I think I might have mentioned to you guys that you've got to begin with the end in mind, to borrow from Leader in Me. We're going to do this so that we can solve for A and get A equals something. So what we've got to do is we have to rearrange that. So at the moment, we've got D equals YA divided by Y plus 12. So we know that at the end we want A equals or equals A, either one, doesn't bother me. So what do we have to do? We have to get it by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to multiply both sides by Y plus 12. That will get rid of them. So I'm multiplying both sides by Y plus 12. That'll cancel them out, and we're left with D outside of Y. I'll actually do that in green so you can see it properly. D Y plus 12 equals YA. Okay, we're down to almost there. We've got Y times A. How do we get rid of it? We divide by Y because we want A on its own. So those will cancel each other out, which will leave us with D Y plus 12. And remember, we're dividing everything by Y. So it's D Y plus 12 over Y equals A. And there you go. We have just rearranged Young's rule so that we've got the adult dosage as the subject. So that's our formula. We've written down what we know. The next thing to do is we're going to substitute in. I should say this is question A. So we're substituting in. So instead of D, we have a 5. Instead of Y, we have a 3 plus 12 over 3. Now I've done my normal thing and I've substituted in with the number in brackets. It's a 3, so it doesn't really matter, but we'll do it anyway. So our next step, we're going to have 5 times 3 plus 12 is 15, all over 3 equals A. 5 15s are 75, over 3 equals A, and you divide that, that is 25. So our answer is the adult dose is 25 mil. So that's question A, 25 mil. Now the next one asks us how many adult doses are contained in the bottle. So the bottle is 200 mil. And our doses are 25 mil. So we literally just simply go 200 divided by 25 equals 8. So there are 8 doses in the bottle. Then question C, it is recommended the cough mixture be taken at most 4 times per day. How many days will the cough mixture last at this rate for an adult? Well, there's 8 doses, 4 per day. That will mean there'll be 2 days. And that is all there is. I hope that helped. If not, drop me another email. Cheers.